Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're reviewing the Garmin Forerunner 165, a running-focused smartwatch packed with advanced training metrics, a sharp AMOLED display, and Garmin's signature GPS accuracy. If you're a runner, fitness enthusiast, or someone looking for a powerful watch under a budget, this one deserves your attention. Short pause. Let's break it down. 1. Design and display. The Forerunner 165 comes with a lightweight build designed for long, comfortable runs. The star of the show is the bright, colorful AMOLED display, giving crisp visibility in sunlight. The strap is soft, breathable, and perfect for sweaty long sessions. 2. Performance and GPS accuracy. Classic Garmin multiband GPS ensures pinpoint accurate distance, pace, and route tracking. Whether you're running in open streets or dense areas, accuracy remains impressive. The UI is smooth with minimal lag, ideal for runners who need quick access to metrics. 3. Training and recovery metrics. Includes VO2 max, training effect, training load, HRV status, and recovery insights. Recovery suggestions help you avoid overtraining and injuries, super helpful for consistent runners. Features guided workouts and Garmin coach plans. 4. Health monitoring features. Tracks heart rate, SpO2, stress, sleep, body battery, and breathing rate. Sleep Insights plus HRV give a complete picture of your recovery quality. 5. Battery life. Up to 11 days in smartwatch mode and about 20 plus hours in GPS running mode. Ideal for marathon trainers and outdoor athletes. 6. Smart features. Notification alerts, safety tracking, live track, music controls, customizable watch faces. Lightweight OS makes everything quick and responsive. Natural pause. So, should you get the Garmin Forerunner 165? If you want Garmin-level training analytics, a beautiful display, and excellent battery life without spending too much, this is one of the best value running watches of 2025. Let me know if you want a full comparison